Okay, so you probably know me as ZodicCG, but I would call myself the crazy guy. Why is that, you tell me? Well, because I'm trying to make a game. And if you know me enough, I'm a modeler. And I don't know how to code. So, that's a problem. But the legend MeBigDumbDumb
Hi people of the internet,
is here to help me. Who is he actually? He is a legend at coding. And he will help me make a game. And it's gonna be awesome. Probably not. So you should probably subscribe and leave a like. Or else. Among Us Imposter will be at your house. Remember that, okay? And that means you're gonna be sus forever, my friend. And you probably don't want that. So, subscribe now! So, anyway, here's a couple of models I made. And they're really bad. So, I'm gonna try and make better ones. So, yeah, here you go. Is that better? Probably not. You'll see, I'll make better models. And you'll see. Okay, anyway, bye. Against the 30 if you remember dream!